Want to unlock your potential in both your personal and professional life? Today, we're diving deep into two game-changing skill sets that every student and young professional needs to master: communication skills and self-management skills. These aren't just buzzwords, they're your keys to success. By the end of this video, you'll have practical tools you can use immediately. Let's get started. Communication equals two-way process of exchanging information using language, symbols, signs, or behavior. 4 key skills: listening, speaking, reading, writing. Knowing multiple languages improves opportunities and cultural awareness. Effective communication needs sender, message, channel, receiver, feedback. Feedback ensures message is understood. Let's talk about active listening. Clear means exact and detailed. Concise means brief and to the point. Accurate means factual and measurable. We listen to obtain information, to understand, to enjoy, to learn, to build and maintain relationships, to resolve conflicts. Active listening combines comprehension plus empathy. It improves job effectiveness, relationships, and well-being. Use the respect technique. Remove distractions, eye contact, show you're listening. Pay attention, empathize with speaker, clarify doubts, tune timing. A sentence is a group of words expressing complete meaning. A phrase is incomplete group of words. Remember mints for capitalization. Months, I, names, titles, start of sentence. Punctuation marks include full stop for endings, comma for pauses, question mark for questions, exclamation mark for emotions, apostrophe for possession. Basic parts of speech. Noun is naming word, pronoun replaces noun, adjective describes noun, verb is action word, adverb modifies verb. Supporting parts include articles, conjunctions, prepositions, interjections. Remember subject, verb, object structure for clear sentences. Self-management equals ability to control one's emotions, thoughts, and behavior in different situations. It involves motivating oneself, working towards goals, following discipline, solving problems, being punctual. Students with strong self-management skills do better in studies and work. Core elements include positive thinking, result orientation, self-awareness. Motivation is derived from motive, the reason behind action. It directs behavior towards goals. Intrinsic motivation comes from within through enjoyment and satisfaction. Extrinsic motivation comes from outside through rewards and recognition. Positive attitude makes a person happier, healthier, more successful. Build it through morning routines, affirmations, and goal setting. Feed your mind with positivity, be proactive, focus on solutions, learn from failures, exercise, maintain healthy diet, get adequate sleep. Manage stress by staying positive, analyzing situations, maintaining accomplishment sheets, focusing on present, and using relaxation techniques. Result orientation is the ability to focus on outcomes and take necessary steps to achieve them. Set SMART goals. Specific, clear, and detailed. Measurable, progress can be tracked. Action-oriented with steps. Realistic and achievable. Timely with deadlines. Become result-oriented by setting clear goals, preparing action plans, using right resources, communicating with mentors, making calendars, working hard. Examples include student setting goal of scoring 80% in exam, athlete training to run 5 miles, traveler aiming to reach city in 3 hours. Self-awareness means understanding one's own needs, desires, habits, emotions, traits. Without it, you're directionless. The big 5 personality traits are openness, creative, and curious. Conscientiousness, disciplined and responsible. Extroversion, outgoing and sociable. Agreeableness, kind and cooperative. Neuroticism, anxious and moody. Personality is a unique combination of thoughts, feelings, behavior. Development is growth shaped by temperament, character, environment, culture. Develop self-awareness by recognizing emotions, tracking feelings and habits, expanding awareness to relationships, work, and study. You now have the blueprint for success. Communication skills and self-management skills working together. Practice active listening with respect. Write clearly using proper grammar. Stay motivated with SMART goals. Develop self-awareness. Start implementing these skills today. Your future self will thank you. If this helped you, hit subscribe and the notification bell for more success skills. What skill will you work on first? Let me know in the comments below.